Question number 6 is, which of the following rulers had ascended the throne at Delhi? The correct answer is Razia Sultana. Question number 7 is, Karsiong is a hill station in the state of. The correct answer is West Bengal. Question number 8 is, who was the first vice chancellor of Guwahati University? The correct answer is Krishnakanta Hendik. Question number 9 is, McMahon line separates which two countries? The correct answer is India and China. Question number 10 is, which mountain range passes through Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat? The correct answer is Aravalli Range.